Did you know that one of the most overlooked parts of motherhood isn't childbirth or even parenting? It's actually postpartum recovery. And surprisingly, no one seems to prepare women for this critical phase. Today, I want to shed light on why that needs to change and what you can do about it. Many new mothers walk into motherhood expecting joy, bonding, and a smooth transition. But the truth is, postpartum can bring a whirlwind of physical, emotional, and mental challenges. Things like intense fatigue, hormonal shifts, or even feelings of isolation. And yet, most women receive little to no formal guidance on how to navigate this time. Why is that? Part of it stems from a focus on pregnancy and birth, which often feels more exciting and gets more attention. But postpartum is a vital part of the journey that requires preparation, support, and understanding. Without it, women can feel lost or overwhelmed, and that can have long-term impacts on their well-being. So, what can be done? First, we need to start conversations about postpartum recovery early, before birth. Expectant mothers should be informed about common symptoms and strategies to cope. Healthcare providers can play a bigger role in providing resources, check-ins, and emotional support for mothers during this vulnerable time. As friends, family, and partners, we can also help by listening without judgment, encouraging self-care, and reminding new moms that asking for help is okay. Community support groups and mental health resources should be normalized and easily accessible. Here's the bottom line. Preparing women for postpartum is not just helpful, it's essential. A well-informed, supported mother is more likely to thrive, which benefits everyone, her baby, and her family. If you're a healthcare professional, a new mother, or someone who cares, I invite you to start the conversation today. Share this video to spread awareness, and most importantly, let's prioritize education and support for this forgotten but crucial phase of motherhood. Remember, motherhood is a journey, and preparation makes all the difference. Thank you for watching.